English lesson, Form 2, Unit 4, Lesson 1. The theme, I collect trains. Let's listen to the song Toys.
There are model cars and a toy guitar. There's a teddy bear and a doll with curly hair. Toys, 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 lots of lovely toys. In my toy box there are toys for every girl and boy. Toys, 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 lots of lovely toys. In my toy box there are toys for every girl and boy.
Today we will learn 2 new letters. Please look at the blackboard. W and X. Repeat, please. W. Repeat, please. W. Very well. Watermelon. Repeat, please. Watermelon. Very well. Winter. Repeat, please. Winter. The next letter is X. Repeat, please. X. Very well. Taxi. Repeat, please. Taxi. Good. Box. Repeat, please. Box. Very well. Please open your workbooks on page number 28. Let's read the text. Hi, my name is Amir. I like football and cars. I collect cars. What's this I collect? Let's translate. I collect. Yes, it's right. I collect, я собираю. Repeat, please. I collect. Very well. Repeat, please. I collect. Let's read and translate the text. Number 1. Hi, my name is Amir. Привет, меня зовут Амир. I like football and cars. Я люблю футбол и машины. I collect cars. Я собираю машины. Let's read and translate text number 2. Hello, my name is Adina. I like tennis and dolls. I collect dolls. Let's translate. Hello, my name is Adina. Здравствуйте, меня зовут Адина. I like tennis and dolls. Я люблю теннис и кукол. I collect dolls. Я собираю кукол. Let's do text number 3. Let's write. What's your name? What do you like? What do you collect? Very well. Pupils, let's do exercise number 2A on page number 30. Please open your books. Look, read and match.
What's this? It's a kite. What's this? It's a plane. What's this? It's a car. What's this? It's a train. What's this? It's a ball. What's this? It's a doll.
And now, look at the pictures and answer the questions. What's this? It's a train. What's this? It's a car. What's this? It's a doll. What's this? It's a ball. Very well. Thank you. Let's do exercise number 4 on page number 31. Read and match. Hi, my name's Ben. I like books. Yes, it's right. Picture C. The next text. Hello, my name's Anne. I like films. Very good. Picture A. Text number 3. Hello, my name's Kate. I like computer games. I've got 20 computer games. Well done. Picture B. And now our lesson is over. Thank you. Goodbye.